Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mr. McAndrew. I'm the math coach here in Rockland, and it's very nice to meet you. So you can see that I'm at home right now. Sometimes I do videos when I'm at school, at one of the schools, either Memorial Park or Jefferson or Eston, and sometimes I do a video here at home, depending on what day it is and what time it is. But I wanted to introduce myself. Again, my name is Mr. McAndrew. And yeah, so you'll be seeing me in a lot of the videos this week and this year. So math. What is math? You are in kindergarten. You may have done math before. You may not have. But math is very exciting, and it involves a lot of different things. It involves numbers. Anytime that you are counting and using numbers is math. So if you are counting how many dolls you have, or video games, or toys, that would be counting using math. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We have 5 fingers on one hand, 5 fingers on the other, makes 10 fingers, right? So there's math all around us. It's on us, right? We have 2 ears, we have 1 nose, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 1 head, 2 arms, 2 eyebrows, right? So it's all around us. What else is math? Money. You guys know about money probably. Things cost money. You can buy things with money. Sometimes your parents might have money in the bank. You get a job so that you can earn money. That's all math. Okay, it's all numbers that you are using in your life. What else is math? Measuring. If you're measuring how long something is, right, that's using math. One of your parents might use measuring to do their job if they're in construction or anything like that. And how do we use math? So math is used with lots of different things. You use it when you play games, like when you roll the dice and you have to move a certain number of spaces, right? It's used. In fact, the computer that you're using, there's a lot of math that was used to build that computer. If you like to play video games or watch TV, there's a lot of math that goes into that. If you are in a house right now or a school, it was built using a lot of math. You might want to ask your parents, how do they use math in their life? Like I said, one of your parents might use it in their job. They might be an architect or in construction, or they might be an accountant. But adults use math all the time. So it's very nice to meet you. Okay, I want to let you know your teachers will be explaining this to you as well. But anytime you get to a new slide, okay, in the Google slides, they're different colors. And if you see a video, you want to press the play button, that little white triangle, and watch the video. In some videos, I'm going to ask you to do something. You might need, at most, you're going to need probably like a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil, some markers. We'll be, at some point during the year, sending home more materials for you to have at home so that you can use those at home when you're not in school. What else? If you, at the bottom of the slide, if you see a little green arrow, that means you need to go to the next slide. So let's say it's Monday and you see a green arrow, you go to the next slide. If there's a little stop sign, that means you can stop and you're done for the day and you can wait until the next day. So I know that's a lot. Your parents can help you, okay? Your teachers can help you, but have fun. Remember, I love math. I want you to love math, and let's have fun together, okay? All right, I'll see you soon, and it's very nice to meet you. All right, bye-bye.